we made it to the rainforest, and it was a very nice trip. Not exactly what I was picturing in my mind at first, but it was quite interesting. And now we are at the airport, but unfortunately you cannot check in until 4 hours before your flight, and we have about 5.5 hours till our flight. So we have a bit of time to wait until we can check in. But we are very glad that we did the tour, because otherwise we would have been here this morning and not been able to check in. So that is a good thing. So now we're just hanging out until we can actually go through security and get in the gates. There's nowhere to sit, so I'm just sitting on the floor around my cocoon of suitcases. Everybody's suitcases all around us. But sort of sad to be heading home. Would still like to be on vacation, but not that sad about some things. Would like to get back home to some things like a comfortable bed and sheets.
Because I haven't checked my plan.
And
This is the U.S.
just the comforts of home. But
There's no more roaming.
that's all for now.
Shut up.
So hopefully I'll talk to you later if I have time once we get through the security. Won't have any time to talk to you on our layover because we only have half an hour to get to the other flight. Hopefully you can hear me over the others talking. And we'll let you know when we're back home, which will be very late tonight.
When all the towers are separate.
So goodbye till then. Hello. As you may have guessed, it is the next day. We did not get home until about 3 o'clock in the morning after stopping in Philadelphia, going to Logan, and then bringing Scott's mom home. You know, getting luggage, taking transportation to the parking lot, all that good stuff. So, and on top of all that, it was snowing when we got home. So we went from tropical Caribbean 80-degree weather to snow as we came home. So it made the driving interesting, but we are home now. It's cold and snowy, which I'd rather be back in the tropics, but what are you gonna do? But it was a great trip. I really enjoyed it. It was some much needed relaxation after the holidays, and just a stressful end of 2015, and it was great getting to spend time with our moms. So I really enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the vlogs. Make sure to give them all a thumbs up and subscribe if you did, to see any future vlogs and videos that I may have for you. I hope to get back on my regular video schedule now that things will hopefully be a little bit less hectic. And so until the next one, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you very soon. And thank you for watching. Bye. A monkey! And he put my sunglasses on it, which I think is just adorable. So that made my night and made me smile. Scott